death to part again. Let us sing and praise your name, Lord, throughout heaven. Your praise is real, Lord. Chimes and bells now ring forevermore. Glory to your name forever. Holy, holy is the Lord. Worthy, worthy is the Lamb forever. Glory, honor, praise, and power to the King of heaven.